Alright, so in this video I have a pair of Adidas Boost sneakers that seems to have just disappeared from Adidas website. I don't honestly know why. I'm assuming it's just a glitch and they'll eventually pop back up. But I copped a pair when they were on sale. Let's go ahead and show you guys in this video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys would like to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I curate for you guys, as well as if you guys are trying to buy a pair of these, I will link them in the description. The link should still work when they come back available, but it's an interesting looking new Adidas Boost model that I don't know if most people have actually seen or not yet. So this is called the Climacool Vento, as you can see here. Maybe that's not the best pronunciation, but that's my American pronunciation. Size 9.5, true to size is what I bought. And this is actually a shoe that I was really excited to see in person, and it kind of fell a little bit flat once I put them on feet, unfortunately. But regardless of that, I'll get into that in just a second. This model is actually really crazy looking. It is a new one from Adidas with the Climacool upper, so it's really, really breathable, like crazy breathable. But the Boost midsole is what sold me on it. It's just so crazy and segmented the way it's done in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different segments. The earliest images of these that caught my eye, there was a rainbow version that each of these had a different color, and the upper had a little fade. It was crazy looking. I'm hoping that those ones actually release, because that's a pair I actually really want. But this is the one that I was like, okay, let me try them out and see if it's something that I can wear or not. And when I put them on feet, I was like, you know, it's kind of weird. It's not like what you would think it would be. Like, you look at the size of this boot stacks, and they're pretty large. You would think that they're really, really comfortable and cushy, but because of all the segmentation in the midsole, it kind of is a little bit clunky, at least on my feet. It didn't feel like it was very seamless. But that being said, the midsole is actually really flexible, as you could see. And for those people that like the little flex in the midsole, maybe this is one of those ones that you'll like on feet. It's not bad, don't get me wrong. I mean, I feel bad suggesting that it's not like insanely comfortable. It's really comfortable. It's just not as comfortable as I guess I was expecting because of the overall look and the appearance of the midsole, if that makes any sense. The midsole and the upper combined is just a crazy mix of stuff. I mean, look at the way this upper works here. You have different levels to it as it fades back, and then it just kind of, it's like an echo effect all the way back with the really breathable material in between, this like felt type material. Then you have a fused 3 stripes on the side, which is honestly the part that I didn't really get. Like, this is like a really bad placement for the 3 stripes. It just doesn't go with the flow of the sneaker, in my opinion. They probably should have just removed those. And then for the heel cup back here, it's kind of cool. It looks like a trefoil, honestly, just with the overall design. But again, another element that I'm like, it kind of goes together, but kind of doesn't. Just the overall shapes of it, I guess. It feels a little bit off. But it does look kind of cool, and I like the fade, how it fades from one color to the next. And then you have a little bit of a mesh-like pull tab on the back. But this is actually a pretty firm material. It's not very soft. The inside liner is not too crazy, but then I do like the color of those insoles. You can see the Adidas logo there. And then actually on the other one, it's actually a different look. So it's kind of like artistic looking. And then for the soles, so check that out. It's actually one giant piece of soles. And then it looks like there's 3 little bars in the middle. I believe that's for stability underneath the shoe. But interesting that they took and did the traction all over the bottom of the shoe. A lot of times you see more gaps in the Adidas Boost shoes, but pretty decent traction. It doesn't say what exactly it is, but that's part of the reason why I found this really interesting, is because usually when I buy a pair of the Adidas sneakers, I like to go back to their product page, read all the descriptions as I have them in hand, and like kind of just go over that with you guys as I have the shoes. But for this, I can't do that because I don't see the product page. It totally disappeared. I'm not really sure why it disappeared, but it did, and it's not really available. So kind of interesting. You do see on the tongue, it does say Climacool, and it is fused on there, which actually looks kind of rad the way that they put that on there. They also have some extra fused layers for the eyelets, as well as for the toe of the shoe. I honestly don't remember what the retail is on these. I think that they were 140, but I don't remember. But I got these part of the last Adidas sale that I posted a while ago, and it took a while to actually get shipped to me because of obviously all the COVID stuff. I actually have quite a few pairs that are outstanding that haven't been shipped yet. Is this one worth buying or not? I mean, honestly, for me, if I had the opportunity, I'd probably just return this one. After wearing it and trying it on, I'm like, it's not really a fit that I like. And the color combination of this one is not very good. They had a triple black one as well that looked really pretty decent, but this one caught my eye only because of the midsole and the cushioning on it. The shoe literally looks like giant marshmallows on the sides. I didn't even realize that. But cool looking shoe, but if I had to be honest, the Pods 3.1 or whatever those ones were called, I feel like those ones had a smoother transition and they felt more comfortable on feet than these, just because there's so many different segments again. But maybe I'm crazy. Leave a comment, let me know if you've tried them and if they're comfortable. That is it for this shoe. Sorry, nothing too in-depth on it. But we'll maybe see more of these in the future. And if they do have other cool colorways that actually end up releasing, I will put them on Collective Kicks website. And so follow me over there or on Twitter or on Instagram at heskicks. But have a good rest of the day. Subscribe if you guys are new to my YouTube channel. Notification bell to be notified of when my videos are posted. And we will see you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.